Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. Today's video is about smart home gadgets in Amazon. Please like and subscribe our channel. Let's get into this video.
Introducing August Smart Lock Pro, our most advanced smart lock yet. With August, your phone is now your key, letting you securely unlock and lock your door using the August app. You can even set August to auto unlock, so August knows when you arrive using Bluetooth. You can set it to auto lock, so when you leave, August locks the door behind you, kind of like your own personal doorman. On your August app, you can create secure, temporary keys for family, friends, even service people. Grant access for a few weeks or a few hours. You decide. You never have to worry about copies of keys getting into the wrong hands again. August Smart Lock Pro comes with Connect Wi-Fi Bridge, giving you remote access to your front door. Like when your mom shows up 3 hours early. Simply use your August app to securely let people in from anywhere. Even if you're miles from home, you can remotely check and lock your door from your August app. And with our DoorSense technology, you can always make sure your door is not only locked, but closed. You can even ask Alexa, Siri, and Google Assistant to securely lock and unlock your front door. August is also Apple HomeKit ready, and August is a certified Z-Wave Plus technology provider. August attaches to your existing deadbolt on the inside of your door. Installation takes minutes, and you can keep your existing lock and keys. Available on Android and iOS. August, the key to your smart home.
Video Doorbell, the smart way to answer your door. See and speak to visitors from anywhere. Get instant alerts on your phone when motion is detected. Monitor your home with live view video. The eCan Video Doorbell features HD camera, two-way audio, motion detection, Wi-Fi connection, night vision, mobile notification, 166-degree wide angle, and 3 rechargeable batteries. Hi, I've got a package for Jennifer. Hello, I'm at work right now. Could you leave the package by the door? Thank you. Home security is made easy with the passive infrared radiation sensor, detecting the slightest motion. Receive instant mobile notification directly to your phone from anywhere. Protect your home day and night with infrared night vision. Micro SD card providing easy and free storage. No monthly subscription required. The eCan Video Doorbell also features 3 rechargeable batteries providing long-lasting power, lasting between 6 to 8 months. The doorbell has a built-in slot for micro SD card. No monthly fees for storage. You can share the doorbell with your family with multiple users on the To See app. Compatible with our wireless chime with more than 50 different chimes. The Smart Video Doorbell lets you stay connected. Greet your guests from anywhere.
If you like any product in this video, please hit the like button and also comment if you need any other product videos. And also please don't forget to subscribe and click the bell button to get more interesting videos. Thanks for watching.